Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity plays the following roles: ecological, economic, and scientific. Ecological role of biodiversity. Different species perform different functions in an ecosystem. Species absorb and store energy, produce and decompose organic materials, help to cycle water and nutrients throughout the ecosystem, control erosion and pests, fix atmospheric gases and help regulate climate. These functions are important for proper functioning of ecosystem and human survival. Hence, ecosystem would be difficult to maintain with the loss of species and biodiversity. An ecosystem which has a high biodiversity may be able to adapt better to environmental changes. Economic role of biodiversity. Biodiversity is an important resource in our day-to-day life. Crop diversity is a part of biodiversity that acts as a reservoir of resources. Some of the important economic products of biodiversity are food, livestock, fibers for clothing, wood for shelter and warmth, forests, fish, medicines, and so on. Biodiversity is also a source of outdoor recreational activity and promotes tourism. But if the biological resources are not used appropriately, it can lead its deterioration. Scientific role of biodiversity. Biodiversity is important because it helps to understand how life has evolved and functions for sustained ecosystems. We depend on other species to live our life, and other species too depends on us. The level of biodiversity indicates of the states of our relationships with other living species. We should not become the cause for the extinction of any species and save them. Besides, biodiversity is also part of many culture and spiritual heritage.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.